Malem pumbada sandogliba COVID-19 asi muthanaba hidak makhal humudra rom pharma industries amadi research institute kayana putoknaba honari WHO gi matung inna COVID-19 thengnanaba hidak sing asi English nganiga kumathoi faubudadi paktaknana siznanaba putokpa ngamlaba yai hairi hauzik faubagi oina Hong Kong da leiba CanSino Biologics Inc amasung Beijing Institute of Biotechnology na changyeng oina putoknaba honari ba hidak sing phase anigi trial tauri US ki hidak puthokpa company Moderna Inc amasung Inovio Pharmaceuticals Inc ki oinadi human trial kanna chathaba haukre hairi nakal amaromda Taiwan gi National Changhua University of Education gi professor Wei Lung Wang na Murdoch University Shaw University yauna tongan ba clinic amadi pharmaceutical company ga khusamna duna puthokpa analysis of the mutation dynamics of SARS-CoV-2 research paper da India dagi coronavirus positive oiraba mioi amagi sample yengshin bada virus asi mutation tawre haiba khangle hairi bio R14 da thaglak labasu peer review tawdriba paper asigi matung inna virus asigi mutation khutaw asi yenglagadi hauzik hidak puthokpagi chathariba thabaksing asida chauna singnaba ama oigadawri haina palli India gi oina su COVID-19 gi vaccine puthoknaba company tarukna kanna honari masigi manungda WHO na list tawbudadi India gi Zydus Cadila amadi Serum Institute hariba company ani asi yauri source amagi matung inna Zydus Cadila company na vaccine ani puthokna ba honari aduga Serum Institute Biological Bharat Biotech Indian Immunologicals amadi Minvax hariba company manga asina vaccine amamam puthokna ba kanna honari novel coronavirus asina hauzik faubigi oina malemgi miyoi million ani hena sokhan kre amadi miyoi lakh amaga lising kunthra mari henbana virus asina sihan kre scientist singna COVID-19 gi vaccine puthokna ba kanna honari adubu vaccine puthokpa asi tangka kaya naina chathagadaba amasung kudong chadaba kaya mayong nagadaba oibana yamdrabada chahi ama mukti changkigani hairi Bureau Report Impact News